Another fabulous morning out camping.
Bear Brook State Park.
Hi, I'm Harry. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you all along with me to Bear Brook State Park, in particular Beaver Pond Campground, which is deep inside the park. And you'll see some shots today. I'm in foliage heaven, ready to go and going to go out and explore around town, but just this corridors of the most beautiful foliage you've ever seen here at Bear Brook State Park.
Hi, registering to camp? Thank you very much. Very nice. Shut the key. All right, now that we've got such a beautiful site, let's get it all set up.
If there's any of you out there who are considering going camping, do your best to find a place by the water. Bear Brook State Park, located in Allenstown, New Hampshire, with over 10,000 acres, is the largest developed state park in New Hampshire. Located in the southeast region of the state, there is plenty to do and see for everyone. Camping, hiking, biking, archery, swimming, and fishing are a few of the outdoor activities you can do at the park. 40 miles of trails through the heavily forested park, leading to seldom visited marshes, bogs, summits, and ponds, offer a variety of options for hikers, mountain bikers, and equestrians. Campers have two options to enjoy the scenic park: the 101-site campground at Beaver Pond, highlighted in my video today, and the cabins at Bear Hill Pond. The park is also home to 3 museums, including the New Hampshire Antique Snowmobile Museum. Listed on the National Registry of Historic Places, the Bear Brook Camp is one of the most complete camps remaining intact and in use in the country. Amenities at Bear Brook State Park include a picnic area, camp store, a ball field, playground, bathhouse, shelters, picnic tables, canoe and rowboat rentals, a physical fitness course, showers, laundry facility, a dump station, ice, and firewood. The park takes its name from Bear Brook, a stream which runs through the park. And tonight we're going to be cooking again, since I love cooking so much. And what I have for you tonight is a meal that's very special to me, and it's just been a favorite of mine, and now I've also adapted that for camp cooking, and it's one of my favorites for cooking in camp. So Lemon Chicken Francese camp style here for you tonight. Okay, now we've got our stove going to make our very own Camp Chicken Francese with rice. Now I've cubed my chicken already, I've already prepped it, and I've cubed it up. I've treated it with a little emerald essence seasoning, a little rosemary, and flour. And I put the flour in for a while now so that it would be actually kind of pasty. And so let's get this all together here right now. Okay, now that we've got the chicken cooked here, we're going to transfer it over to our bowl. Lost a couple. So as that gets hot again, we're going to put a little rosemary in on the chicken, just a dash, cover that up. Throw some lemon slices in here just to get them a little fragrant. Oh, I know you can't smell it, but this is amazing. Now, look at these lemon slices in the bowl. Let that all get happy in there. Put the lid on it. Okay, now some real magic happens here. I'm going to deglaze the pan with a little white wine. This is where all your flavor comes from, all these delicious brown bits on the bottom. Our chicken broth, which consists of a packet of stuff, water, and now what makes Francese, the lemon. You could buy pre-made rice. I buy this boiling bag, so we're actually going to cook it. And this is where it's tricky. You want to end up with almost no water at the end and the rice cooked. So it's a balance of adding water and not adding too much. All right. Yeah, now we wait for the rice to cook. Okay, let's check to see if we need some more water. I think we're getting to be about time here. Oh yeah. See how it's thickening up. I add a little bit more. So you can see how the rice is fattening up. Alright, we'll just let the last of that water get out of there and make the rice happy, and then we'll put it together. Okay, I think we're all done here, and now we're going to put it back together again. We'll get these lemon slices, come in a little handy in just a moment. I'll take this off. Oh, that is a thing of beauty right there. Now we're gonna kind of mix this together. Get the chicken in with the rice. Throw these lemon slices back in here. I'm gonna cover this for a few moments. Let the rice finish getting happy. Well, I'm sure thankful you could join me for this meal tonight. I'm gonna just stick a spoon in it and give it a try right now. So this is Camp Chicken Francese, Harry style, and here we go. Yeah, this just really knocks your socks off. It's amazing that you can make something like this in camp. There's no need to ever eat crummy food when you're out camping. Camp Chicken Francese with rice. Give it a try yourself. You could even try it at home. Really fabulous. The recipe will be in the description below. Excuse me, I gotta spend some time eating this. But what I have for dessert tonight is my beautiful wife Cheryl made her famous chocolate chip cookies. So I'm gonna enjoy. Thanks. These are the best. You're not getting this recipe. Not happening. little milk chaser. Thanks for joining me for dinner and dessert. Had a great adventure here. Got a lot more to go. I'm surrounded by turkeys. I can't see a one of them, but they're everywhere. We're going to be leaving soon from this beautiful place, fall foliage heaven on this trip, I must say. And here we are at Lakeside Beaver Pond, here at Bear Brook State Park. I've had a great time. I'm glad you've come along with me on this journey. We'll see you in the next video. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like, hit that notification bell.